What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I am doing another 3-star level walkthrough for Cut the Rope. We are still in the foil box episode of Cut the Rope, this time going through level number 10. So let's hop into it. This level can be a little bit tricky as you're kind of doing a slingshot motion with the bottom rope there. You don't want to get it too far to where it gets stuck in the spikes, but right around the halfway point, slightly closer to the bottom, is where you want to be. You want to make sure that top slider will be able to catch it. You are free to cut that bottom rope. It'll fly up, cruise up, and you could slide it over to collect those 3 stars and slide it back so that the candy reaches Om Nom's mouth, securing you that 3-star rating, passing level number 10 of foil box on Cut the Rope. If you needed help with any other levels, I have a full playlist I will link down below with a 3-star walkthrough for every single level. If you did have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If you found this helpful today, like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.